So today we're going to be installing these garage lights that I've got off Amazon. And it comes in a 2-pack. It's got about 50,000 hours of lifetime. It's supposed to light up the garage. So I've also purchased these adapters. These are like bayonet to screw, Edison screw adapters off Amazon. Link for both this product and that one. So we've got instruction manuals on how to activate the warranty and some instructions of what to do and what not to do. Finally, we're going to open one unit and it just kind of opens up very naturally and freely. And what you can also see here is you have the ability to fold some of these in and out depending on where you want the light to hit. It seems like you can have like 2 up, 2 down, you can have it flat. And so we're just going to fix this on. So grab one of this, have a look at the screw fitting, put that in. And then we're going to replace this with what we've got up there.